Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. Let's learn pharmacy. I know this is a off topic, but I think this is important also. So in this video, we are going to show you top 5 YouTube channels for college students or for you.
So I think this is the age at point or where you can take knowledge and do self-improvement, and you can do by learning new skills or reading and getting knowledge from books. Reading self-improvement books can get you a knowledge of money or to win or succeed in every part of field of your life. And then, so without time wasting, let's start our video.
So guys, at the 5th position, we have Better Than Yesterday. This is amazing channel guys. You can check it out their playlist on productivity, sleep, health, money and finance or communication skills, book summaries or social interaction. I would suggest you to please watch his social interactions playlist and this how to talk to anyone especially videos. So at the 4th we have After School. So this is an amazing animation channel guys. You should watch this. And the topics are really interesting, like how to reprogram your mind, then how to build habits, then life is not a journey, our greatest two fears, how to completely carefree, dopamine fasting, how to overcome addiction, how to overcome your fears, and many things. You can check it out. So now we have two channels at number 3 position. They are Hindi channels. If you know Hindi, then you should watch this. You should subscribe this. These videos are amazing. First is Great Ideas, Great Life. They have other application also for book summaries, and the other is one is Readers Book Club. They both are book summaries channel, and you can get amazing knowledge from these channels. So I highly recommend you to check it out. So at second position we have Improvement Wheel here. This is amazing channel guys, and their animation is also amazing. I would suggest you to check out their playlist like social skill playlist, health playlist, and I would also suggest you to check it out their Be Friend course. This course is really interesting guys, and their playlist is also amazing like happiness, meditation, and 50 life lessons, the learning playlist.
So finally, at first position we have TEDx Talks. I think this is the best channel from where you can get knowledge, the best knowledge from the best person of that field. I highly recommend you to check out this channel, and this channel is such an amazing content guys, like 7 ways to make conversion with anyone, how to know your purpose of life, how to motivate yourself to change your behavior, the psychology of self motivation, and how to become a memory master, and so many amazing things guys.
So that's it for today, guys. I will come up with another video of pharmacy. So still, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Meet you in the next video.